Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to remove, unlock and get rid of the pattern lock on your Samsung A72. We'll show you how to do a hard reset on it, okay? Remember, this will erase everything in your phone's memory. There's no way to save it, okay? Sometimes you'll need to connect the USB cable to your laptop, but no need to download any program or file, okay? So whichever way works for you. Without the cable, put it in the video description to help others, okay? So let's go. Arriving at this screen that I always like to leave it on, press the volume down and power buttons at the same time until the device restarts. When it restarts, release only the volume down and press the volume up. So it's important to follow the exact timing of your device restarting, okay? Let's wait here. Release the volume down, press the volume up. Release the power and keep holding the volume up button until it enters the recovery mode we mentioned. And if you're not yet subscribed to our channel, I want to ask you to subscribe. Leave your thumbs up. If you have any questions, put them in the comments to help others too, okay? Let's wait here a few more seconds so we can continue with the unlocking. Arriving at this screen, folks, this procedure will also work for some other Samsung models, okay? So let's go. Now we're going to go down by pressing volume down, go to the fifth option where it says wipe data factory reset and confirm by pressing the power button. On this other screen, we go down with volume down and also confirm with the power button. If you need to unlock the Google account on this device or any other model, we can do this unlocking remotely. So I'll leave my WhatsApp number in the video description. If you need, you can contact and talk directly with me. I'll be the one assisting you, okay? So arriving at, just confirm, I hope I helped you. That was today's video. Thanks, take care, bye then.